Let's go! Welcome back to Riser Invest. In today's video, we're going to be talking about SpaceX. This video is going to cover why I think that SpaceX is currently overvalued, why I think that SpaceX is essentially the best business that you can buy at this point in time, and how exactly I will actually buy SpaceX in Q4 2026. If you're watching this video is supposed to show you my thesis on SpaceX and why exactly SpaceX is going to be a very asymmetrical trade later on in the year. So I hope that this video will be able to help you guys understand a bit more as to the business of SpaceX and how we can enter SpaceX in the coming few months. Alright, so SpaceX just opened up its IPO debut over here last Friday, where the initial public offering was at $135 and the shares opened here at about $150 under the ticker SPCX. Now, SpaceX actually raised $75 billion in this IPO, and the high price for the day was $176.52. Now, SpaceX is currently trading at $160.95 right now, putting it at a valuation of over $2.1 trillion. The question right now is, hey, Rizo, should I be buying SpaceX at this point in time, given the fact that you're so bullish on SpaceX and you think that SpaceX is the number one business? My answer to you is, yes, you should buy SpaceX, but not yet. I want to be going through with you exactly why I think that SpaceX is pretty much the number one business to buy in the world right now, and I want to go through with you why it is still overvalued, how we actually value it, and I want to go through with you guys the unlocks that is coming up very, very soon. So first things first, you can see over here that it's been reported that SpaceX has accumulated a total loss of $41.3 billion since it was founded in 2002. So why am I still so bullish on SpaceX? This is because, contrary to many people's belief, SpaceX is not simply a company that invests or works on space exploration. There are essentially three businesses inside of SpaceX. Number one, it's launch. Number two is Starlink. And number three, it is XAI, or AI integration itself. So launch is essentially the main aspect of the business that most people actually know. Falcon, Starship, essentially Elon Musk's vision to have multi-planetary living and for people to explore Mars. So this is the main business that most investors are actually aware of. But the two other businesses that people are not aware of is actually Starlink and XAI. So you know that XAI is essentially Grok, which is part and parcel of X.com itself, which is previously Twitter. Now Elon Musk actually spent a lot of money on XAI itself. Within the past year or two, the capex has reached up to $25 billion as money is being spent on data centers in order to grow and train XAI itself. And you can see that actually XAI is actually taking up a lot of this price or expenditure of SpaceX itself. The main revenue recurring business is actually Starlink right here, which is the most valuable satellite internet network in the world. Even top airline companies like Singapore Airlines are currently using Starlink. Alright, so these are the three businesses inside SpaceX, and in my opinion, I believe that this is the world's best business to buy at this point in time. But as I mentioned, it is currently overvalued at $160, sitting at $2.1 trillion. And I want to go through with you guys what exactly is the actual supply that's going to go on in the next few months. Okay, so listen to me at this point in time. The reason why it is overvalued at this point in time is because of all the hype that has been built around SpaceX itself. There has been a lot of anticipation with this IPO, and people believe that SpaceX is the next revolution technology with regards to planetary exploration, with regards to Starlink, and with regards to XAI itself. Now that is fine. Market usually moves in one direction more so than expected, and this pump in SpaceX from $135 to $170 closing at $160 is expected. But this is the area where the current demand actually meets the current supply. But what you need to understand is that this is an IPO. There are going to be shares that's going to be unlocked in the market in the next few months, and I've actually shown you guys the unlock schedule over here. So the IPO uses a stage locked up structure rather than a single 100-day cliff. So this is quite bullish in the fact that the supply will slowly hit the market. So if the stock trades at least 30% above the IPO price, which we already hit, an additional 10% of insider shares can unlock. After that, there are 5 separate 7% unlocked tranches between approximately day 70 and day 135 after the IPO. So I've actually marked this out for you guys over here. 70 days after the IPO, that puts us as around 21 of August 2026, and 135 days after the IPO, that puts us around 24 October 2026. So between August to October 2026, you will have here 5 separate 7% unlock tranches of shares, which amounts up to 35% of shares within this period right here of about 2 to 3 months time. So this is exactly what is gonna hit the market in 2 to 3 months time, and I actually expect that what will actually occur is that although price is gonna stagnate at this point in time, the supply will slowly increase in the market during this period. And when the market share is simply a reflection of the supply and demand, what I expect is that demand will eventually fade. The reason is because the current demand is based off the strong hype of SpaceX itself. People are excited about the IPO. People are buying as best as they can on Robinhood or whichever broker they're using. But the reality is that the fair value of SpaceX is simply not 2.1 trillion. And if you actually take a look at what the fair value is, the launch business is probably about $250 billion. Starlink is actually probably the best business that SpaceX actually has at about $700 billion. And the reason is because it is subscription basis and it's very difficult to replicate. And XAI is pretty much the lowest valuation over here at $200 billion. We know that XAI is actually losing out to OpenAI and Anthropic with regards to the AI race. So this aspect of the business isn't very profitable. So with the current 3 businesses under SpaceX at this point in time, I think that the fair value actually puts it at about $1.1 trillion, which put it at about a whole $1 trillion underneath the current value of SpaceX. So if you actually take note, right, if at the amount of shares that's actually been unlocked in the market now, is sitting at $2.1 trillion with each share trading at about $160. Imagine where it actually moves towards its fair value in the coming 3 to 4 months time with an increase in the amount of supply of shares itself. This means that SpaceX can easily drop more than half towards the $60, $70, and $80 region, and I expect that within the October of 2026, there's a high likelihood that SpaceX is going to head down to the $80 region. And bear in mind that all these are mathematically proven, and there's no doubt at all that sitting at $2.1 trillion in a pretty much a unprofitable company at this point in time is not where you want to be at, and it is currently overvalued. So although I'm very, very bullish on this SpaceX company, I believe it is overvalued and it's definitely going to pretty much crash in the later half of 2026. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I want you guys to be prepared and keep this at the back of your head, in the back of your mind, because when SpaceX actually crashes in Q4 2026, I believe that actually it will be the next pretty much revolutionary or life-changing company right here, because businesses like Starlink is really starting to dominate the entire satellite network. Businesses like Launch is pretty much pioneering the space exploratory sector itself. Although XAI is not as strong as it could be compared to OpenAI and Anthropic, I still think that it can provide some sort of value with regards to SpaceX technology. So all in all, I'm very, very bullish on the company, but I do think it's overvalued. I think that somewhere around the October region, where pretty much most of the shares will be unlocked, I think that is actually where you want to enter SpaceX. So actually, reports currently indicate that by November 2026, about 93% of shares are subject to these stage releases, which will have become eligible for sale. This means that you'll be able to buy most of the shares when you are hitting about October to November of 2026, and that the market will have a abundant amount of supply of shares hitting the market, indicating that the price is likely to hit down, given the fact that it is overvalued at this point in time, and given the fact that there's going to be increased amount of supply of the shares. Alright, that'll be all for today's video. I hope that this video will be able to help you guys understand a bit more about SpaceX. Again, just to summarize, supply is going to hit the market through October, November 2026, we are currently overvalued at $2.1 trillion. The estimated fair value is around $1.1 trillion. So definitely do look into entering the market in October, November 2026, because I do believe that SpaceX has very profitable business in the near future. Alright, that'll be all for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And do check out the sale down below at visorinvest.com for the premium group. And as always, invest safe.